Friends, today we will discuss the most important part, most important factor and prerequisite for success, that is motivation. Often during the idle and relaxed time, we discuss that to read best seller motivational books by life coaches, to listen motivational speeches and attending webinars and seminars by the renowned motivational speakers is of no use, because this cannot impress us, cannot motivate us permanently. When we listen, when we attend the seminar, we get the motivation for a very few time, very momentary. So now the question before us is how to wake up inspired and end the day feeling fulfilled with the work done. We all have greatness within. Everyone has some latent talent, but it is very sad that we don't know our own qualities and capabilities. It is our responsibility to uncover it. Each one is gifted with a rare ability, a distinct talent. Find that, identify it, the thing that you are good at, and fix a higher goal in the field of your own interest, the field of your hobby, the field of the work that you get the most pleasure, and fix a goal. The higher the goal, the greater the energy and enthusiasm. Then put in hard work, grit and perseverance to achieve objectives. It requires sacrifice and willingness to set aside your mundane indulgences like movies, restaurants. Nobody gets the top without these prerequisites. There is no easy way to success. People only see the laurels and accolades of the winners, not the exertion and toil that got them there. So, sharpen your intellect, the discriminating ability, the gumption to deal with the situation with your best intellect. The intellect thinks, reasons, distinguishes between pairs of opposites and guides you through the journey of life. It helps develop clarity of thinking and galvanizes your senses, actions and feelings towards the goal. When all your resources are directed towards that one mission, you generate energy, feel deeply for your goal, devoted to it, and work dynamically for it. Concentrate on every action without meandering into past worries and future anxieties. You will achieve success effortlessly. Now, the most important part in this process of achieving success is teamwork. Teamwork is an important component of success. However brilliant you may think you are, you cannot do it alone. Develop the humility to admit your shortcomings and take the help of others who are better than you. Inspire others with a higher purpose. Reach out to them with love and affection. Give them a reason to come to work excitedly, not just to earn a living. Empathize, appreciate, and applaud before you criticize. The positive impact will be profound. They will rise to the occasion and go beyond the call of duty to serve the cause. You will achieve tremendous success. Share the spoils with the team members. Friends, give them the credit they deserve. And at the last, but the most important part of this session is spirituality. Without spirituality, there is no meaning of success. Today, profit and money are the only measure of success. But friends, no profit, no money can make you happy. Bhagavad Gita takes you beyond mere wealth to happiness. When you act in a spirit of service and sacrifice for a higher cause, your desires reduce. You evolve spirituality. You transform from an ordinary mortal to the extraordinary immortal. Thank you. I take your time. But friends, this is important because we don't know. Because we don't know what we don't know. So keep learning continuously. Thank you.